So we're back down here digging at the Alabama Gold Camp again today. This is our last day here. So we're trying to get it done, as you can see. But we have really enjoyed our time, as usual, here at the Alabama Gold Camp. We are not affiliated in any way with Alabama Gold Camp. This video is not sponsored at all. But we like to come down here. We enjoy our time camping right on the creek. It's just a beautiful area. And then you can dig anywhere as long as you fill back in your holes on the property. But they do give us courtesy piles, and we like to, you know, high bank the courtesy piles. So this might be our last trip for this year here to Alabama Gold Camp. But we love it, absolutely love it. So if you ever get a chance to come down or come over or come up, however which way you're coming from, come out and see them. They're awesome people, really family oriented environment, very friendly. Just everybody helps each other. We actually, when we first got here, didn't have a long enough hose, and a gentleman, Mr. John, thank you Mr. John, was nice enough to let us borrow one of his hoses that go to the water pump. You know, we're still newbies at this, so we're learning. But thank you, Mr. John. We really appreciate it. Thank you to Joshua Kimry for helping us with the high banker. He has become a great friend, and we appreciate him. He has come down and helped Jason feed that high banker whenever I got tired, because it's some work. It is some work. But we're gonna see how the day goes, and we'll let you know what our take is at the end of the day. So just in case some people don't understand the high banker, what Jason is doing is putting all the dirt and rock, it's over here somewhere, in the top bucket here. And what that does is it allows gravity and the force of water to clean the rocks. And if there's any gold, which is very heavy, it will fall down into this sluice right here. And in that sluice we have Gold Hog mats. Again, we're not affiliated with Gold Hog in any way. But we do have different Gold Hog mats in there all put together. And as the water rushes down the sluice, it causes the gold to stick into the little ripples on the matting. And that's where we get the gold. Jason has a Predator water pump feeding his high banker, which it's brand new, but so far has done an awesome job. The green hose down there is the intake, and then the red hose is the out, which comes all the way up the hill, all the way around, which is why we needed another hose. and into the back of the wash box. Now in the wash box, we do have some rock catchers or stoppers, as you could call it. And you can see how the force of the water cleans the rocks and gets gold off of them. If there's any gold, it'll flow through the cracks of the drinker bar, right there, and down into the sluice box. In the sluice box, we have some water that comes across all these ripples, and you can see this little focus there for us, how the sand and the little rocks catching the ripples, which is a good thing. It causes that gold to go to the bottom. But again, we get our dirt from this dirt pile, which they have put for us. Again, you can dig anywhere on the property as far as I'm aware, as long as you fill in your holes. That's just a safety precaution. And you don't leave a lot of trash around. You clean up your tailings and such. Where? No. We have gold.
Alright, this is going to probably be the last run, period, for this trip. It sucks, but we're tired. We're going to go back south, or west actually. But I wanted to show you, after you make a run, what this looks like in the mats here. Let me see if I can get close enough. Everything kind of compacts in these mats. And that's where your gold gets trapped now. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can. There's a piece of gold right there. I think it's picking it up. There's a piece right here. I'd like to see. And I have, once we turn this off, I'd run some water on it like this to kind of move everything around. I'd like to see if there's a decent sized piece in there. So that's why everything kind of broke up. But I don't know how many buckets we've run through here, but if I had to guess, I would say what, 20, 30 at least. And 2 hours, 2.5 hours, however long we've been running. And we'll show you here in a minute what's left out of 30 buckets that you have to pan. Everything's gonna go in this big black pan here. I guess Terry might do a quick clean
later.
We're ready to get home, chill out for a minute, or to the camp. But we're gonna tear this down. I'll show you how we do it. Back here, I got everything, or all my mats are being held down by two bolts and a bar, aluminum bar. I just unscrew them wing nuts. There's 2 of them. That sand will work its way in them threads sometimes. It don't want to come out, but you just gotta play with it. Little bar right here. I'll come down so far. On these gold haul mats, you want to reverse roll it. You don't want to roll it this way. Everything's even tighter together. You want to open up them grooves, roll it backwards, reverse roll. Keep it in your water. Bring it to you. Turn it sideways. By doing that, you'll have at least 98% of everything out. You'll have a couple little pebbles. You can check it though real good, make sure ain't maybe a good picker in there. So far this looks pretty good. All that stuff in the bottom, you want to wash that out too. See if I can show you what we got here. Out of 20-30 buckets, just guessing, we weren't counting. We took a couple shovels from right here, but out of 20-30 buckets, this is basically what you're gonna have left. Maybe 2 cups of material. Not bad. Pan that out in one pan. We got some color on this one.
And this was just one run.
It's one run right here. Well, this is the take for today. We did 2 runs. You got some flour gold in it. You got some a little bit bigger pieces. There's 1 or 2 wire golds in here. Let's see, where's it at? There's one here. That was another one in there somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Kind of a longer piece, but it ain't too bad. We're gonna add this to our, I don't know where it went. We'll add that to our take for the week. There it is. Not too bad. Alright guys, until next time, get outdoors and enjoy.